Electric vehicles have created new challenges for tyre engineers. So what makes a tyre electric vehicle ready? Well, first up, they have to consider the weight, as EVs tend to be heavier than their petrol or diesel counterparts due to the battery, so the tyres have to cope with that load demand. The tyre needs to be strong enough to safely support that additional load while still delivering the performance that you expect. Electric vehicles can also deliver a huge amount of torque almost instantly, and a tyre is the final destination for all that power transfer, so it has implications on things like tread wear and durability. The tyre has to cope with those forces while still maintaining grip and controlling wear over its lifespan. Then we have lower rolling resistance, which means less energy lost through the tyres. And for electric cars, this can really matter because it can help improve efficiency and even extend your EV battery range. So tyre engineers are constantly balancing rolling resistance against things like grip, braking and durability, because you don't want a tyre that's incredibly efficient but compromises on the things that keep you safe. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. A petrol or diesel car also has a lot of background noise from the engine and the exhaust, whereas electric cars, well, they eliminate that. So things like road noise and tyre noise can be a lot more noticeable. That's why tyre manufacturers pay particular attention to things like tread pitch, tread pattern, and the air cavity inside the tyre. Some tyres can even use acoustic foam inside to help reduce certain types of road noise. There's no single component that makes a tyre EV ready. It's a whole variety of technology and research that makes sure the tyre meets the demands of an electric vehicle.